Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing. It's your girl Kampa Shwati. You can follow me on all my social media platforms. So this week video, I'm going to show you guys a very amazing place. My friends and I visited Watamu Beach Cottages, and I'm going to give you a tour of the premises so that you can have a clear picture of how it looks. Very affordable. Kindly keep watching. Watamu is a small coastal town in Kenya, north of Mombasa. It's known for Watamu Marine National Park and Reserve, which has 3 bays: Watamu, Blue Lagoon and Turtle. We used SGR from Nairobi to Mombasa and took a van from Mombasa terminus to Watamu. It is a 2.5-hour drive journey using the Kilifi Road. Depending on where you are starting the journey from, you should head towards Watamu town, take the right turn at the Turtle Bay to junction and head straight to plot 38. It will be on your left just before you get to Watamu Marine Park. When you start approaching the property, you realize how green the place is. This provides a cooling effect, so you don't have to worry about the heat while sleeping in the tent. You know how coast is. Very hot. Once you are going towards the camping area, you will pass by the kitchen. The kitchen is fully equipped for people who like to do self-catering. Cooking your own meals is a way to help you cut some costs. This is the option we took. We used to prepare breakfast and dinner. The kitchen has an underground store that has 2 large fridges, so you can store your goods if you don't want them to spoil. Also, the property has a chef, so they can prepare a meal for you. I know you're on vacation, right? So cooking isn't an option. After the cooking area, you'll enter into the bumper coffee area. This is where the tents are located. The paths leading to the tents are littered with the white sand that has been scooped from the beach. There are also some small decorating lights along the path that make it more attractive and provide light at night. The property has 4 tents with their own privacy and well spaced. An extra tent can be set up if communicated in advance. All the tents have 2 single beds, an electric fan, extension cord, lamp, tissue, water, bathing soap and towels. There are also 2 plastic seats placed on the outside of the tent, so if you want to chill, read a book, go through your IG, that's the place to be. The bathroom and the toilet are shared with the other guests in the camping area, but they are always clean. The outdoor shower made of bamboo walls and no roof was so amazing. There is also a mirror and sink that one can use for preparations like brushing teeth, dressing, or applying makeup. The compound is big and spacious. So on the other side, there are fully furnished apartments that you can consider instead of the tents. That is where the gym area is located for people who would not like to miss their gym schedule even when on vacation. Just next to the small gyms comes my favorite. Swimming pool. Unfortunately, I do not have a video for this, but I will add some photos here so that you can see how the girls had fun in the waters. They have a medium-sized swimming pool with a deep and shallow end. It is always clean. Chlorine is added each morning, so you have to wait for a few hours before using it. There is a shower room. You can use it to freshen up or change before using the pool. During our stay, we did not find the pool occupied at any moment, so do not worry about people flooding it. Just next to the pool, there is a path that leads to the beach. You can see how the area has lots of trees that provide a cooling effect that counters the high temperatures that are normally experienced in the coastal region. There is an island viewpoint where you can relax and enjoy the view of the island while listening to the ocean waves. I found out that the best time for these waves is early in the morning, 7 a.m. latest. From the viewpoint, the path leading to the beach has a lot of beautiful green vegetation, and you can hear the birds chirping despite the terrifying noise from the waves. The path is also littered with the dry sand scooped from the beach. The beach has some of the strong waves in the morning, so if you are not a pro at swimming, I would advise you not to go too deep into the waves. Our photographer managed to capture some sunrise photos. I would highly advise you to take these amazing photos when you visit Watamu. So thank you very much for watching. If you have watched the entire video, I really do appreciate. Comment down below what you think. Can you go to such places, or if you have any other places in mind that are affordable and anyone can access them? Get interactive with me, and make sure to keep following, like this video, and turn on post notification to be notified every time I post a new video.